In a previous video, we showed you how to publish a blog on WordPress and have it auto-publish to Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Now, sometimes when you publish to Facebook for reasons known only to Facebook, the image doesn't pull through and your share across Facebook doesn't look particularly good. So I'm going to show you now how to correct that in a very simple and very quick process. So first off, I need to share the screen across here. Okay, so this is a blog that was published on our site on the WordPress content management system. You can see it's a blog about Google. It has an image at the top, Google Trials, highlighting the part of the site you searched for. It's quite an interesting read, actually, and talks to you about how some users are searching on Google, clicking through to the website, and the bits that they've searched for are actually highlighted on the website. Now, when that's published on our site, it feeds through automatically to Google, and it should, automatically through to Facebook, and it should look really nice. However, this particular post has come through looking like this. And you will see it's got the description that we pulled through for it, the link to it, but there's no image and it doesn't look very nice at all. Now, the reason that happens is that sometimes Facebook completely ignores all of the Facebook Open Graph information that is put in a particular post. Now, here's how you fix this. Facebook has a tool called a debugger. Now, I didn't just swear, it's for debugging the actual link that you pull through to Facebook. So it's developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. And how this works is you copy the link to your post, like so, and you paste it within the debugger. I'll just take off all of the Facebook ID link for that. So there's the link pulled through to the Facebook debugger, and you click debug. And Facebook scrapes that link to see what it's got for it. And you will see that it's telling you warnings that should be fixed. The OG image property, that's the Open Graph image property, should be explicitly provided because Facebook thinks it isn't there. It is in fact there. Facebook just hasn't seen it. So what you do, there's a scrape again button down here, and you click that scrape again button, and Facebook pulls through the information afresh. Give it a couple of seconds, and there we go. Facebook has now pulled through the correct information with the image, with the description, with the title, with the author, and all of the Open Graph image from Facebook is pulled through correctly. So what we do now is we take that link, and unfortunately it won't update automatically, so you need to delete this particular post and then share it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my link and I'm going to put that into a notepad file, and I'm going to take that particular piece of text there as well because I want to copy that. So we're going to go to the Engage web page, and if we scroll down the page, wait for Facebook to load because Facebook obviously is a little on the slow side. Scroll down the page, and there's the post. So unfortunately, we do need to delete that post, so delete that from the page. And then if we take our link and we go back to the top of the page and we write a new post and press that, Facebook now pulls it through correctly because it has been rescraped and recached within Facebook. We then take our description as so, place that in there as so, and then click share. And that will pull through the image of the post with the post title, with the description, with the post author, as you can see here, exactly as it should have happened first time round. Now, most of the time, it won't do this, it won't error, it won't be a problem, but very, very occasionally, Facebook does have this issue where it doesn't pull through the correct meta information. Therefore, that is how you fix it to reshare it.